Hello children, welcome to the math session. I hope you all fine, isn't it? Are you all finished your home fun children? 5A home fun I have given in last class. After completing the home fun, upload in Chrysalis home app. Now, what lesson we are seeing here? We are seeing lines and shapes. What lesson we are seeing now? Lines and shapes. Say everyone. Lines and shapes. Now everyone take your studio, companion, pencil, eraser, water bottle with you. Clear? Now take your studio, take page number 79. Page number 79 in your studio. See, till 78 we have completed in last class. In page number 79, 5.6 activity number pep activity we are going to see now. From which farm can the sheep come out easily? Pick your answer. See here, two farms are there. Farm 1, farm 2. In these two farms, which farm will come out fish easily? Sheep easily. In which farm will sheep come out easily? See here, farm 1 is closed, but farm 2 is open. In this way only the sheep will come out, no? So in which farm the sheep will come out easily? Farm 2. So tick the farm 2 box. Take your pencil and tick the farm 2, because in farm 2 only it is open shape. The sheep will come out easily. Why do you think so? Discuss with your friend, they have given. You will discuss with your parents. See here, farm 1 looks like, farm 2 looks like. See here, farm 1, it is closed shape. Is there any open in farm 1? No. See here, it is a closed shape. But see farm 2. See here farm 2. Here it is opened. See here farm 2 shape outline is this. Here it is opened. Farm 2 is an open shape and farm 1 is a closed shape. See here farm 1 it is a closed shape. But farm 2 it is a open shape. See here, look at these shapes. Open shape, closed shape. See here, it is opened. So it is an open shape. See here, it is a closed one. Is there any gap in between the shape? No, it is a closed shape. See now, take next page, page number 80. This is a triangle. It is a closed shape formed with 3 straight lines. They are called the sides of the triangle. See here children, this shape name is a triangle. What is the shape name? Triangle. Say the spelling for triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Say the spelling for triangle once again. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. This shape name is a triangle. It is a closed shape. How it is? It is a closed shape with 3 straight lines. See here. 1, 2, 3. How many straight lines does triangle has? 3 straight lines. These are called sides of a triangle. What is this? These are called sides of the triangles. This is a triangle shape. It has 3 straight lines. It is called the sides of the triangle. Clear? Now see 5.7 activity number, hands-on activity. With your partner, use matchsticks to form a triangle. Paste the shape in the box. See here. In this box, we want to use matchsticks to form a triangle shape. How the triangle shapes looks like? It is 3 straight lines. It has 3 straight lines. It is a closed shape. This is a triangle shape, children. Like this, we want to use the matchsticks and paste the matchsticks in the shape of a triangle. See here, I have pasted the matchsticks. It is a triangle shape like this. You also paste the matchstick. How does your shapes looks like? It has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3 sides. And dash corners. How many corners? See here, this is corner. 1, 2, 3. How many corners? 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners, 3 sides. See here, when 2 points meeting in one edge is called corners. 2 points meeting in one edge is called corners. See here. Look at these closed shapes. They are formed by 4 straight lines. Look at these closed shapes. These are the closed shapes. They are formed by 4 straight lines. How many straight lines, children? 4 straight lines. This is a square. What is this? What is the shape name? Square. What is the shape name? Square. All the sides of a square are of equal length. See, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides square has. All the 4 sides are equal. Equal means what? Same in length. Equal means same in length. Say the square spelling SQUARE, square. Say once again, SQUARE, square. See here, this is a rectangle. What is the shape name? What is the shape name? Rectangle. The blue sides are longer than the red sides. See here, 2 colors. This is blue color and this is red color. See here, blue color is longer than red. Blue is longer, red is shorter. So blue color is longer, red is shorter. The opposite sides are equal. This shape name is called rectangle. It is a closed shape. Say the spelling for rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. This is a rectangle shape. It also having 4 sides, but opposite sides are equal. See, this is square shape. All the sides are equal. Now take next page. See here, page number 81, hands-on activity, 5.8 activity number. With your partner, use matchsticks to form a square and a rectangle. Paste the shape in the box. See, before we have seen triangle shape. There we have used matchsticks, isn't it? Here also use matchsticks to form a square and rectangle. Clear? See here, like this you want to paste square, rectangle. This is a square shape. All the sides are equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Both are closed shapes. This is a, what shape it is? Square. Yes, super. SQUARE, square. It has dash sides and dash corners. How many sides it has? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides it has? 4 sides. Then how many corners? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? 4 corners. See here. This is a dash. This shape is a dash. What shape it is? Rectangle. Yeah, super. Say the spelling for rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. It has dash sides and dash corners. How many sides it has? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides it has? 4 sides. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. See here. Are all the sides are equal? In square all the sides are equal, children? Yes. Stick it in yes box. Is all the sides are equal in rectangle shape? See here. Whether all the sides are equal in rectangle shape? No. Super, children. Tick no box. Finish? Like this you also paste the matchsticks with the help of your parents and then write the answers. Now see the next activity 5.9 is your home fun. This is your home fun. Arrange, look deep activity. Arrange 8 matchsticks to form a square like this. Rearrange the matchsticks to form a rectangle. Paste it here. See, you want to use 8 matchsticks. How many matchsticks you want to use? 8 matchsticks. Here they have pasted like a square shape. But here you want to paste a rectangle shape. Form a rectangle. Rectangle shape here you want to paste it. How many matchsticks you want to use? Definitely you want to use 8 matchsticks. After completing this home fun, upload in Chrysalis home app. Now take next page. See next page. This is a circle. It is a closed shape formed by curved lines. See, before we have seen square, rectangle, triangle. All these are only a straight lines. But in circle it have a curved line. In circle what line we are using? Curved line. See here circle shape. This is a curved line. Say the spelling for circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. In circle we are using a curved line. See the next activity, look deep activity. How many corners does a circle have? Is circle have any corners, children? No. So we want to write 0 corners. Here you want to write 0. 0 corners because in straight lines only we have corners. See the triangle shape. This is one corner, this is one corner, this is one corner. In square shape also 4 corners, straight lines. In rectangle shape also 4 corners we have, but in circle shape we does not have any corners. Clear? Okay. An oval is also called a closed shape formed by curved lines. See, this is a oval shape. It also using only a curved lines. It is a closed shape. It has no corners. An egg is oval in shape. What is the example we are saying for oval shape? Egg. Example we are saying for oval shape is egg. Say the spelling for oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. See here next activity. Look around. 5.11. Draw and write the names of food that look like the following shapes. One has been done for you. See here. This is also your home fan. Here you want to draw a foot which is looking like a square shape, rectangle shape, triangle shape, circle shape. For square shape, they have given slice of bread. For rectangle shape, what example we want to say? For example, Milk Bikis biscuit is in rectangle shape. For triangle shape, samosa is a triangle shape. For circle, Rava laddu or laddu is in circle in shape. Okay, like this you want to write the example. See the next page, which is your favorite food. Which is your favorite food you want to write in this dash. Why do you like to eat it? Why you want to like to eat your favorite food? You want to write your answers in second dash. These two answers you want to write, children. Okay, see 5.12 activity. Match the shape and its name to the object. One has been done for you. See here, match the shape and name to the object. See here, first shape, it is a square shape. So they have matched square name here and square shape. See the second shape, what shape it is? Circle, yeah, super. Match the circle name first and circle shape next. Next one, oval. Match the shape name first and shape, oval. See here, next triangle. Match the name of the shape first and then shape, triangle. See here, rectangle. Match the shape name first and then rectangle. Clear? Okay, now take next page. See companion, page number 28 is your home fun. 5B. Follow the triangles to help the rabbit to reach the carrot. See here, triangle shape. Follow that triangle shape alone. Triangle shape alone follow and then help the rabbit to reach the carrot. Count the number of shapes in the maze. How many rectangles are there? How many squares are there? How many circles are there? How many triangles are there? Here you want to write here. Write the number of count in the respective box. This is your home fan, companion 5B. Now see your studio. See page number 84, think and ink activity 5.13. Join the dots for each shape. Follow the given color. See for circle, blue color. For triangle, black color. For square, green color. For rectangle, brown color. See here, shape wise they have given different colors. Here also there are rectangle shape, triangle shape, square shapes are there. You want to use the given colors. For example, triangle they have, for example, square they have given green color. See here, square shape. Like this you want to join, green color. Square shape and all, you want to join green color, use green color. Like this you complete this activity with the help of your parents. Now see the next page. Name the shape of the following objects looks like. What is the shape? Square. Superb children. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. What is this shape name? Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. What is this shape? Yeah, circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. What is this last shape? Opposite sides are equal. Yeah, rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. See this activity, you want to do the shapes color they have given. You want to join the dots with the respective colors. This one you completed. Okay? Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Let we meet in next session children. Bye.